Hello everyone, this is a Mazda 2 2010. I just finished installing this aftermarket radio, Android stereo that you can buy online. With this specific model you have to fit this separately because I bought this console separate. Now I'm not going to go into detail of how you can remove the factory stereo, because there are lots of other videos online and information how to remove that one. I'm just gonna go on with how I installed it and how I did the wiring and steering wheel controls, etc. The steering wheel controls took me a while to figure out, but eventually it's working now. It was quite a lot of work, so I just thought maybe post a video and it might help any of you looking to retrofit an aftermarket Android unit in your car. I just finished up all the wiring just to show you what it does with my controls. Volume up, volume down, channel up, channel down, mute, mode. If you press on mode, it goes back to the home page, or if any other apps are open, it will go there. That's basically it. In these Android devices, you have plenty of choices to watch videos and do other things. You can even download other apps like WhatsApp or Facebook or YouTube, whatever, GPS, etc. There's also phone link available. So about the wiring, you could buy an harness adapter to fit the factory wiring harness. So I just got the factory connector to solder my wires with it directly, and it's just working fine. All the rest of the wires, I'm not going to go into the details of the rest of the wires, how you have to connect, because there are many videos of the reversing camera and all the things. No, I'm not sure if all the wiring colors are going to be same on all cars, but I suppose they are. On this specific car, the 16 pin that it's going in the unit, you have let me see what goes where. The yellow is the yellow wire that is going to the unit is connected to blue and I forgot, let me see, blue and red. So that's your constant 12 volt. Your switched 12 volt is going to, let me check for a second, it's a little bit of gray and red, and the black is obviously the ground. And then you have the speaker wires, 8 of them. You can try to connect one of them, each one separately, and see which one is working with which one, but it's pretty straightforward. The speaker cables. The only thing that I had issues with was the steering controls. I connected the key 1 and key 2 to the wiring. The key 1 is connected here with the green white, and I had to connect black red, green black, and blue black all together with key 2, and that's how I got it working. That's basically it. I'll show you again. It's not that easy with one hand to put all the things. All right, there we go. That's, let me see if I can zoom in on both things. That's gonna be really tight. But let's see. There we go. And here we have the end result. I'm completely done with the installation. As you can see, this is again the Mazda 2 2010. Everything is working the way it is supposed to. The steering controls, etc. Let me quickly show you.
Kant of liever transparant. Slips waar je je goed in voelt.
There we go.
Q sounds better with you.
And here we have the end result. I'm completely done with the installation. As you can see, this is again the Mazda 2 2010. Everything is working the way it is supposed to. The steering controls, etc. Let me quickly show you.
Kant of liever transparant. Slips waar je je goed in voelt.
There we go.
Q sounds better with you.